To test a run capacitor properly, isolate power, discharge the capacitor safely, and compare its microfarad reading to the manufacturer specification. First, always cut power at the breaker and verify zero voltage with a voltage tester. Use insulated tools and a resistor or insulated screwdriver to discharge the capacitor by shorting the terminals while wearing safety glasses. Remove the capacitor from the circuit and disconnect all wires so no parallel paths affect the reading. Set your multimeter to the microfarad function. If your meter lacks that setting, use a dedicated capacitance meter. Hold the meter leads to the capacitor terminals firmly and read the value after the meter stabilizes, then compare that reading to the printed manufacturer specification within the tolerance range usually given. If the capacitor reads significantly below the lower tolerance boundary or shows no continuity, it is defective and should be replaced with one of identical capacitance and equal or higher voltage rating. The three most common mistakes are testing without discharging, which can damage the meter and hurt you, testing in circuits so parallel paths mask a bad capacitor, which gives misleading readings, and replacing a capacitor with the wrong capacitance or lower voltage rating, which shortens life and risks failure. Always confirm power is off and discharge before touching terminals to avoid shock and instrument damage. Remove the capacitor so only its own capacitance is measured and not influenced by motors or other components. Match the replacement to the original capacitance and choose equal or greater voltage rating to ensure safe operation. We operate bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors and to help contractors find work related to projects like capacitor replacement and broader electrical service. We also host a discussion community where we and other members share field tips, ask questions, and exchange vendor experiences.